cringe more. So cringy.
Alright, prepare yourself for your ears to be broken.
You're right.
It's your bro, Julio, back with another video, where today we are going to be opening more Pokemon cards. We have 4 packs. They all include 3, so we get 12 cards once we open all of the packs. So let's get straight into it. First pack. Okay. So, we have the code card. Well, no, it's not really a code card. It doesn't have a code on it, as you can see. No code. So, since these only have 3 in them, I'm just going to put 1 to the back. One to the front. And we get Lysander Labs, Flabébé, and Binacle. It's obviously going to go really fast. So, that was the first deck, and we're going to go into the second one. Alright, so we have a code here. Says watch Pokemon TV on the go. On the back, it has the same thing as the other one. One to the front. And we have Lady, Dewpider, and Fennekin. Okay, now we have 2 more packs, and I'm going to open them both at the same time, right? So, I'm going to do that in 3, 2, 1, boom. Okay, so I opened them, and we have 2 code cards, because I opened them both at the same time. We have the first one and the second one. They both have the same thing on the back. It has 4 cards on it. They are Xerneas EX, Yveltal EX, Primal Groudon, and Primal Kyogre. Now, for the cards. Since there are 6 cards here, I'm going to put 2 to the back and see what we get. Lightning Energy, Pangoro, Bunnelby, Guzzlord. It's a hollow Guzzlord, Amora, and Gloomy. Not bad. Not a bad way to end.
You had it the same thing as me.
Not a bad way to end the episode. So I would say the best card we pulled would be Guzzlord. That is the best card of the pack. Anyway, we'll run through everything we got again. So, we got Fennekin, Dewpider, Lady, Binacle, Flabébé, Lysander Labs, and then we also got Bunnelby, Gloomy, Amora, Pangoro, Energy, and Hollow Guzzlord. As you can see there, it's hollow. And anyway, end of the episode. Thank you all for watching. If you want to see more like this, leave a thumbs up and comment down below. Comment down below what your favorite Pokemon is. And we'll see you next time. So, bye.